So in addition to being able to manipulate your various hosts and your agents from the launch dashboard, I mentioned previously that we're also able to create custom parsers for the universal agent. Now, if you look up in the upper right-hand corner, we have this cog icon, and if we click on that, it will bring up settings for our universal agent. Now you can see an entire list of the parsers that are available to us, what the type is, basically whether it's a built-in or a custom parser, and it will give you the ability to download any of the built-in parsers, alter them, and re-upload them as a custom parser so that you can create a parser that will fit your framework or any customizations that you might have made to your existing frameworks. To do this, you would just click on the button. It will take you to a small web page that will allow you to download the version that you wish. And once we open up the zip file, we'll be able to see the entire Node package that's in here. All of the parsers are written in Node Framework JavaScript, and they come with the Node modules and the package files as well. And they're all contained within the singular JavaScript file. This is the file that you will edit when you want to change the logic for your parsing. So if you want to create something for your custom framework or a framework that we don't already support out of the box, you will be able to come in here and look at your file structure and iterate through that file to be able to pull in the information the way you want to see it. And you can also perform customizations for existing frameworks that we do support if, for instance, you want to see some extra information coming out of that file. Once you finish editing your JavaScript, you can put this back into another zip file, and you will click the Add button here in this dialog, and it will allow you to name it, give it a version number, and then direct it to the zip package that you just created. Once you save the zip package, it will be available in this list, and as soon as it downloads to your automation host service, which is just about immediately, it will be available in the universal agent for you to be able to utilize and perform testing with.
Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the Tricentis Academy channel to get the latest tips, tricks, and tutorials to help you best utilize Tricentis' continuous testing platform. For more information, please click the links in the description.